Hey guys, welcome back. It's Paul. Today's project of the day is I'm trying to level off the driver's seat. It's leaning towards the driver door a little bit. So no doubt it's from the floor being cut for the through floor subframe connectors. So I'm going to see what I can do and how I'm going to correct that. All right, so I took out the driver's seat and I ended up figuring out with the level that this guy was down. So I've already removed this bracket here. I had to add a 3/8 shim at the front, and I added a 1/2 inch shim at the back, and in doing that, that has perfectly balanced now. So we're good now. So I'm gonna put everything back and not bore you guys with that stuff. Wrapping up this video, the driver's seat is now perfectly level. I've snugged everything down. I double checked the passenger side as well, and it's good. And I finished up with installing the KIRKEY seat cover. So up next will be the install the door panel, so stay tuned. And guys, if you haven't already done so, smash the subscribe button. I appreciate the support, and thanks for watching.